Hi all, Neci LoveHarmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and this channel is a to-the-point sewing machine basics channel. You want to learn your machine in 30 minutes or less? Got you. Want to learn to fuse interfacing to fabric in 4 minutes or less? Done. I created this channel to teach the beginner, the intermediate, or the advanced sewer how to solve their problem and get back to sewing. I started sewing around 20 years ago and quickly fell in love with it, and I've created wardrobes for myself and for other people, prom dresses, wedding dresses, all that good stuff. My particular specialty is bags. I've made over 400 bags and love the process of learning new things every day. I taught in public school for over 7 years, loved it, but then decided to take an early retirement to do other creative things online, like create a YouTube channel. In the future, we desire to create bag making classes and other type of sewing series for our viewer. Thank you for watching and happy sewing.